Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I'm reviewing the Zectron folding e-bike. This electric bike is stylish, functional, and safe. It has a futuristic unibody design, an impressive long range of up to 150 miles per charge, maximum comfort suspension for the best riding experience on all kinds of terrains, and an anti-theft system to protect your ride. It has a 350 motor with a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a 250 motor with a top speed of 15 miles per hour. It also has a 5-level pedal assist, Shimano 7-level gears, and a built-in lithium-ion battery pack. The foldable design makes it easy to store and carry on any adventure. It also has intuitive controls and a dynamic rear suspension that gives a cloud-like riding experience. People have praised the Zectron e-bike for its design and comfort, and it's definitely one of the best e-bikes of the year. If you're looking for a good commuter bike, this is the one for you. You can buy it in the description below, so check it out and get your Zectron e-bike today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.